What was once a pipe underground, covered by a parking lot in busy Weymouth Landing in Massachusetts, is now a daylighted section of Smelt Brook.
This is a success story for Smelt Brook and what can be done when we restore our natural streams here in the Commonwealth.
But success is relative, and there is more to do, as a perched culvert becomes an obstacle.
It's really blocking the fish, blocking the eels and other animals that want to get through here.
Rainbow smelt, once so numerous, farmers used barrels full to fertilize their crops. According to NOAA, Maine Fisheries, and New Hampshire Fish and Game, in this report, rainbow smelt are now in peril.
We're going to look into the culvert, see where this is where Smelt Brook goes, right underneath.
Robert Kearns and Mike Rishardi, along with a growing number of concerned citizens, want to change that.
The fewer fish that try to spawn, the fewer eggs there are, the fewer food there is all the way up the food chain.
e-awakening.com will have more details on this important story as we tell the stories that need to be told. Stories about environmental heroes caring for the earth. Until then, you can reach Robert Kearns at rkearns@massachusetts.sierraclub.org to find out more about how you can become an environmental hero.
To have the time and to use some of my energy to do something about these problems really brings some joy to my life.